I remember when I was a kid, every morning my father would call the whole family and it would be time to pray. And I will kneel down knowing that a few minutes into this prayer, I will be sleeping. Now, of course, my dad will have to ensure that I get woken up. That's okay for a child and you train the child. But it's not okay for an adult to spend time in church and sleep while the message is ongoing, or while you're praying, sleep. Study today's Rhapsody realities and learn how to put your body under. A great opportunity to become God's outstretched arm to the nations of the world. You can be this by sponsoring Rhapsody of Realities. When you sponsor Rhapsody, you are speaking 3,700 languages. If you've not downloaded the app, go ahead and download the Rhapsody of Realities app. Take the different options, click on the link today, and distribute Rhapsody Realities today. This is Rhapsody Clicks. The next level is only a click away. God bless you. Have a great day.